हाय गाइस, द डेंजर्स ऑफ पॉर्न। जी हाँ, आज हम पॉर्न की बातें करेंगे। नॉट समथिंग आई टॉक अबाउट हेयर एवरी डे, लेकिन शायद ज़रूरी है बिकॉज कनेक्शन इज़ देयर टू मोटिवेशन, कनेक्शन इज़ देयर टू करियर। तो एंड लड़कों को स्पेशली, लड़कियों को भी, लेकिन लड़कों को स्पेशली बहुत अफेक्ट करता है कई बार। तो इसके बारे में बात करनी ज़रूरी है। कई बार आप लोगों ने कमेंट्स में भी कहा है, तो आई विल गिव यू माई थॉट्स ऑन इट। कोशिश करूँगा आपको समझाने की इसके साथ कैसे हैंडल करना है, बिकॉज इट्स समथिंग you need to be very careful about is the porn usage in your life, right? It applies to men more but also to women, so yeah, क्योंकि पॉन आज फ्रीली अवेलेबल है और बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वालिटी HD एंड विद द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल एक्टर्स इन इट, एंड या दे आर एक्टर्स बाय द वे, सो या दे आर एक्टिंग एंड इट्स designed to arouse you, and it gets better and more everywhere, right? And एक बार इतनी सारी, पहली बात तो पॉन है और उसमें एक सिलेक्शन मैकेनिज्म भी है, बिकॉज आप यू कैन इजीली डू मोस्ट व्यूड और top rated or whatever things like that, which can help you get to the best of the best porn, right? The maximum arousal porn you can see, so you feel okay, this is great. Well, it's great for the industry, it's great for the porn industry. Actually it's not doing that well, by the way. Porn industry is also not making that much money these days because it's so much porn available free that money wise it's not great. But yeah, distribution wise porn is everywhere, and yeah, it's great for the views and all, but they are not making money there. Anyway, that's a separate issue, but it's not great for you. It's not great for you that you get the millions of videos and you get to see the top 10 of those million videos to arouse yourself. That's not good because it is messing up with the your mind and body system of arousal that naturally has been designed to make you a normal human being. तो वो उसके साथ interference हो रहा है. Porn is therefore bad for you. Not morally. I'm not talking from a moral point of view or religious point of view. I am not that guy. मैं कोई उस टाइप का नहीं हूँ. I don't think morally कोई इतना issue है. But scientifically आया है कि too much porn consumption is bad for you mentally and bad for you physically. And there are tons of articles and videos on this. And मैं कोई डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ, ना ही मैं साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ जो इस बारे में एक्सपर्ट की तरह बोलूँ. तो आई वुड इनकरेज कि आप खुद ही वीडियोस देख लो, यूट्यूब में ही देख लो कि वाई एग्जैक्टली इट्स बैड फॉर यू साइंटिफिकली, नॉट जस्ट ओपिनियन कि हाँ भाई, and not some religious guy telling you. Like you'll see scientific studies, there are TED talks on it, which is wonderful. So I would encourage you to see them if you want to know why. But roughly, like, or in a very gist, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि क्या है. If you watch porn too much, you know, you need the same quality videos in your real life, and real sex life में वो नहीं होता है ना. Real people have real bodies and they don't look that good, and there is not so much variety, so obviously you will be disappointed, you know. And let's assuming you do get real people, that itself is a big assumption because a lot of men just get lost in porn so much that they just get out of the real world, and they are just like, यार कौन लड़कियों से बात करेगा, या who will make a girlfriend. I could get rejected, but if you go to a porn site, it will never reject you. It will say ये नहीं, ये भी देखो, ये भी देखो, आपको ये चाहिए, आपको ये चाहिए, आपको कौन से बाल चाहिए, कौन सा रंग चाहिए, सब मिलेगा आपको. So you feel like यही better है यार. But you know, it's not, because porn, yeah, it never rejects you, but you never learn how to talk to the opposite gender. So that's not good. And your body, your actual body, your physical body will get desensitized to porn over time, right? So you need what video you found very exciting today, you will not find exciting 3 months later, right? You will need something more exciting, right? And then one day nothing will be exciting to you, and then your body will stop responding only to porn. ऐसा भी हुआ है लोगों के साथ. एंड देन तब क्या देखोगे तुम लोग? हाँ, तब आस्था चैनल देखना है, राइट? तो so your body will just refuse to function, or it will refuse to function in real life. So that's not good. And what the porn is happening is, like, when you do porn and you are getting dopamine hits in your brain, and it becomes addictive, and it messes up with the reward system, like I said, in your brain. 5-10 किलोमीटर की भागने के बाद जो आपके माइंड में डोपामीन आना था, वो एक पॉर्न सेशन में आ गया है. तो उसके बाद आप क्यों भागोगे? आप बोलोगे यार पॉर्न ही देख लेते हैं, कौन भागेगा? सो यू हैव मेस्ड अप योर ब्रेन, राइट? एंड करते जाओगे, देन You run for a year or you watch porn for a year. Take two people, एक साल बाद वो भागने वाला कहाँ पहुँचेगा और porn वाला कहाँ पहुँचेगा? You can give the answer कि उसका क्या होगा. Now I know it's extremely tempting to watch it. I mean, I know as a guy, especially I remember my teenager, we were super curious about it in IIT also. I mean, people would do all kinds of crazy things, but we were automatically limited because it was not everywhere. It was like in magazines and you would borrow and see a little bit or something like that. But you have it everywhere. Now you're young. I'm not saying कि जाके साधु बन जाओ. I you know I don't talk like that, and even I don't write like that. But go learn how to talk to girls, or go learn how they think and how you think and how you can be respectful and still have a relationship and things like that. Go build your body, look attractive. You want to look physically attractive. Why are you watching attractive people? Make yourself attractive, right? Express your urges. You have them, they are natural, but express them the real way, the proper way, not like this, right? So porn has been known to destroy lives, and it's in your pocket now, in your phone all the time. So the only way to keep away from it is you deciding. Now occasional maybe okay. I mean, it's not known ki occasionally people have seen and it has destroyed them. So I will only go by scientific evidence. So occasional use has not been shown to be very, very harmful, but occasional use can quickly become frequent use to addictive use, and that is extraordinarily harmful. So I leave it to you to decide what is occasional and can you handle occasional. बट हाँ, ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है दोस्तों जो आपको खुद ही कंट्रोल करनी है, कोई और आपको आके नहीं करके देगा. So, why waste your life on something like this? So just set this out of concern. It's something you can read up more on and pay attention to it and focus on your career, your health, your relationships. That will ultimately make you happier in the long term. Take care.